Morning and have a nice day. I am Annabel Natuyag, 33 years old, married, blessed with one daughter, age 12 years old. My husband is farmer, my father is farmer, and my mother is housewife. I have three brothers and six sisters. I am seventh in the family. I am from Bangbang, Hongduan, Ifugao. I am born again. I am a college level. My hobbies are cleaning, washing, and dancing. I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for almost 1 year and 9 months. And I also work here in Philippines as a babysitter for almost 2 years. I have served 5 family members, 2 adults and 3 children, ages 3 months, 3 years old, and 8 years old. Mom, I am an honest person, trustworthy and hardworking. If you have given me a chance to work with your family, I promise to do my very best. Thank you and have a nice day.